Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio G-Shock watch. This is going to work for a bunch of models out there. Today we have the GA140. This is also going to work for the GA100, for the square G-Shock watch, so the 5610, and also for the Casio models out there, the GA2100. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. So we are going to press and hold the adjust. After 3 seconds, you will be able to see that your home city is flickering, so it is flashing. That means that we have arrived at the basic settings of your watch. We are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. So we had the home city, now we have the DST. And if you press it one more time, we are going to arrive at the 24-hour display or the 12-hour display. So as you can see, we have here 16. If I press the forward button, it is going to switch to 12, and we are being shown 4 and a P right here. So that means that we have 4 p.m. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to press it once again. And as you can see, now we have switched back to 24-hour display, and we have 16 right here at this sub dial right here at 12 o'clock. Once you have adjusted that, in order to finalize the process, we are going to press the adjust button and you are done. Your setting is going to be saved, and now we are being shown military time. In case you prefer the 12-hour display, make sure to leave it at 12. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, as well as the others, in case you want to check them out. Link in the description box below. Also guys, if you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know what you would like to see next in the comment section below. And guys, if you are into watches, make sure to be subscribed. I'm going to see you on the next video.